Okay, for number 6, they give you these points. Okay, for line L, we got -5 and 0. We got 0, 2. And then on this one, we have 0, -4, and P, 0. Okay, in the xy plane above, line L is parallel to line K. What is the value of P? Okay, so when it says that the lines are parallel, that means that they will never intersect. That means that they have the same slope. Okay, so let me say that one more time. If the lines are parallel, I'll write it for you. If lines are parallel, they will never intersect. They have the same slope. If you have the same slope, it doesn't matter. Like, you could start out here in LA and you take that slope and you'll end up in China somewhere, okay? Same here. You'll just be going straight all the way straight to China, but they'll never intersect, okay? So that's what you have to know about those lines. And so if we're trying to find out what P is, we could find out what P is by figuring out what the slope is first of this line, okay? The slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, okay? So it doesn't matter which one you start off with, but I'll just start with this one, okay? So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so when I do this, y1 is, y2 is 2, y1 is 0, okay? And then x2 is 0. This one is going to be negative -5. And so what I'm going to get here is going to be 2 over 5. 2 over 5 is the slope because negative and a negative is a positive. Okay, so if 2/5 is the slope, then I'll know that over here it's the same thing. Let's just say that this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing here, use a slope formula, and I'm going to go y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and my y2 is 0 minus y2 minus -4, which is going to be +4, and this one right here is going to be P minus 0 over P. Okay, so because we know then that 2/5 is a slope, 2/5 has to equal this slope also, even though we don't know the full number because it's not disclosed since it's a P. But because these are the slopes and we know the slopes are the same, we could equal them to each other. And then from here you could just cross multiply, okay? So 2 times P is 2P, 4 times 5 is 20, divide out, P is going to equal 10, and that's your answer.